In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see backlinks in Notion. If you've ever wondered which pages point back to the one you're working on, backlinks give you that visibility so you can navigate your notes and docs more confidently. Start by heading to notion.com in your browser. If you prefer the desktop app, no problem. The steps are the same. On the home page, click Login if you need to enter your account, or click Launch Notion if you're already signed in. Either option takes you into your workspace so you can get right to your pages. Once you're in, go to your workspace and open the page that already has backlinks. This is the page you want to inspect for references from other pages. Backlinks, sometimes called incoming links, show you where this page is mentioned or linked across your workspace, which is especially useful when you're managing projects, documentation, or a knowledge base. With your page open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot icon. This is the page menu, and it's where Notion keeps a lot of useful options. When the drop-down appears, choose Customize Page. This opens a settings panel focused on how this specific page displays information. In the customization panel, find the backlinks section. Click its drop-down and select Always Show. This tells Notion to keep backlinks visible on this page at all times, so you don't have to hunt for them or rely on context-based visibility. From now on, you'll see a backlinks area on the page that lists every page that references this one, often with helpful context like where the link appears. A quick tip. If you enable Always Show but don't see anything yet, it usually means no other pages link to this one. As soon as another page mentions or links to it, the backlinks will automatically appear here. Keeping them always visible helps you spot relationships, avoid duplicate content, and jump directly to related work without breaking your flow. To recap, you went to notion.com, logged in or launched Notion, opened your workspace, navigated to the page with backlinks, clicked the three-dot icon, chose Customize Page, opened the backlinks drop-down, and selected Always Show. With that, your backlinks are now surfaced clearly and consistently, making it easier to trace your information and keep your knowledge organized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.